What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you 2 tomatoes perfect for container gardening. You've got to see these. There are compact tomatoes, disease-resistant tomatoes, and productive tomatoes, but it's very difficult to find varieties that have all 3 of those things and are suitable for container culture. And these 2 varieties have it. Tomato number 1 is Bobcat. This is one of the most impressive tomatoes I have ever grown. It is a determinate tomato, so it only grows to be about 30 inches tall. So it's a very, very easy tomato to manage. It is extremely disease resistant, and it is also a very early tomato that produces big beefsteak tomatoes, and it loads up like crazy. The fruit load on this tomato is unbelievable. Again, this whole tomato is only about 30 inches tall. And look at the fruits on here. Have you ever seen anything like this in your entire life? I showed you this tomato last year. It was a new discovery for me, and I was completely enamored by it. And I think this year, they're producing even better than they did last year. What's amazing is these are nice, big, slicing tomatoes, close to beefsteak size. And look at that. I don't even have words to say how incredible the production on this variety is. And I planted this about a month before my last frost date, right in the beginning of March, and it has absolutely no disease on it. The disease resistance on this variety is absolutely incredible. So if you're looking for one of the easiest to grow, most productive, container-friendly determinate tomatoes that's also early, I mean, this is the one to get. Absolutely miraculous. And the second tomato is Celebrity Plus. This is an improvement over the old Celebrity developed back in the 1990s that is even more disease resistant. Now, Celebrity Plus is a semi-determinate or a strong determinate. So it begins its life growing like an indeterminate vine, but after the first 2 or 3 feet, it will start to bush out and it'll grow more horizontally than it will vertically. Now, this can keep growing all the way until frost, but it grows in a more bushy habit, so it's a lot easier to maintain this plant at about 5 to 6 feet. You can see this is much more vigorous than the Bobcat, and it will continue to grow, but it is still easily manageable for container culture. So just like the Bobcat, the Celebrity Plus is incredibly productive, and both of these plants were planted at the same time. What's crazy is this one has some tomatoes on it that are already beginning to ripen, even though this is technically a later variety. I think that's just because Bobcat is so overloaded. It's just slowed down the process. But Celebrity Plus is no slouch either. It has huge clusters of fruit, and Celebrity Plus is a true beefsteak tomato. It makes overall larger fruit. They're anywhere from a large slicer to a moderate beefsteak. So absolutely incredible yields on this variety as well. And just like the Bobcat, it's virtually free of disease. Its disease package is absolutely incredible, and it's just setting fruit all up and down the plant. So as we continue to drag into June, this is not slowing down. It's setting fruit even in the heat. Just an absolutely beautiful plant. And again, you can see these 2 side by side. Just incredible. I mean, if you're looking for 2 incredibly productive, early, disease-resistant varieties to grow in container culture, these are nothing short of spectacular. I don't know about you, but I try to grow bigger and better and more efficiently every single year, and these 2 varieties unlock incredible harvests in small spaces. I'll place direct links to the seeds to the different varieties down in the video description for your convenience so you know where to get them. Also, if you're looking for these nifty containers, I'll place direct links down in the video description to them as well. You can also grow something like this in a big grow bag or a sturdy nursery pot with good staking or a strong cage. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.